Good evening, everyone. Thank you for attending today's meetings. My name is RONGDA, and I was meeting today. We will acting as the member of the Student Innovation Unit to evaluate campus sustainability solution presents by the assigned groups. Our agenda has 4 parts: reviewing the proposed solution, discussing their feasibility, making a justified decision, and recommending follow-up actions. We will evaluate this idea based on cost, technical requirements, student participation, sustainability, and potential impact. Let us begin. ZHIHAN, please review the first 2 solutions.
Thank you, Chairperson. The first solution is the Eco-Campus Smart Sustainability application. It encourages students to record environmentally friendly actions, earn points and rewards, and track their environmental impact. Its main strength is motivation. Although many students understand the importance of sustainability, they may not act consistently. Gamification can make activities such as recycling and saving electricity more engaging. However, the university must maintain attractive rewards and regularly update the activities. Otherwise, students may gradually lose interest. The second solution is the AI-powered waste sorting assistant. Students scan a waste item using their phones, and the system identifies it and recommends the correct disposal method. This solution is practical because students are sometimes unsure which recycling bin to use. Nevertheless, the system requires reliable image recognition and regular updates. Incorrect guidance could reduce users' trust. From a feasibility perspective, the Eco-Campus application could begin with the simple functions, such as activity records and reward points. This would reduce initial development costs. The AI assistant may require more time because it needs appropriate training data and repeated accuracy testing. A limited pilot involving common campus waste, such as paper, plastic bottles, and food packaging, would be a sensible first step. Overall, the first solution improves motivation, while the second provides practical guidance. I believe they could complement each other. Thank you.
Thank you, ZHIHAN. Your analysis shows that user motivation and technical accuracy are both important. Liray, do you agree that the AI feature should be introduced gradually?
Yes, I agree. Introducing the AI feature gradually would allow the university to test its accuracy before applying it to more types of waste. I will now review the third and fourth solutions. The third solution is a personal carbon footprint detection platform. Students provide information about transportation, electricity use, food choice, and waste. The platform then estimates their environmental impact and gives personalized recommendations. Its main strength is that it turns an abstract concept into measurable information. Students can understand how their daily decisions affect the environment. However, frequent major data entry may be inconvenience. If students need to enter too much information every day, they may stop using platform. Therefore, the data entry process should remain simple. The platform could also automatically use select information such as campus transportation records, provide the user give permission and their privacy is protected. The first solution is the Smart Campus Energy Management System. It uses Internet of Things signals to monitor electricity use and detect unnecessary lighting, air conditioning, or equipment use. This system would reduce both carbon emission and university electricity expense. It is also scalable because the university could begin with selected buildings before expanding it. However, it requires greater funding, technical support, and cooperation from the university administration and IT department. It cannot be implemented by students alone. The university could first monitor one building and compare electricity consumption before and after implementation. This would provide measurable evidence of its effectiveness and the potential cost savings. In summary, the carbon footprint platform focuses on individual behavior where the energy management system creates intuitions change. Both are available, although they require different levels of resource and support. Thank you.
Thank you, Ray. NAJWA, please review the final solution and compare the feasibility of all 5 proposals.
All right, thank you, Chairperson. So the fifth solution that we have is the community-based sustainability platform. So it can connect students with environmental activities through event listing, participation tracking, maybe some student club involvement campaign, and also some rewards. So its main strength is that it turns sustainability into a shared campus effort. So students may be more willing to participate when they see their friends or some organizations joining the activities. It is also relatively feasible because it can be developed using existing website or mobile application technology that we have. However, it requires regular activities and updated content. Without active management, I think a student may lose some interest. So cooperation among students, club and organization, or even university management is very necessary. So when we compare all 5 proposals, the eco-campus application and community platform are relatively feasible because they mainly require software development and student participation. So the AI waste sorting assistant is useful, but depends on recognition accuracy. And also the carbon footprint platform is meaningful, but it must minimize manual data entry. The energy management system could produce the strongest institutional impact, but it has the highest cost and requires substantial university support. So there are also some common risks that students may lose interest if the reward and activities become repetitive. So they may also be concerned about the collection of personal data. The platform should therefore collect only necessary information and explain clearly how the data will be used. So it should also provide meaningful but affordable incentives, I think. And also in my view, the proposal should not be evaluated only according to creativity. The final solution must be practical, accessible, and capable of maintaining a long-term participation. So since these 5 proposals address different aspects of the same sustainability problem, I think combining selective features may provide greater value than choosing only one idea. Thank you.
Thank you, NAJWA. From my perspective, impact alone should not determine our decision. The energy management system may provide substantial savings, but immediately implementing it across the whole campus will be expensive and technically difficult. I therefore believe that we should prioritize features that can be tested at a small scale and expand them only after obtaining positive results. AHMAD, based on our discussion, what final decision would you recommend?
Okay, thank you, Chairperson. So based on review and feasibility analysis, I recommend combining the strongest features into an eco-campus integrated sustainability platform, rather than selecting only one proposal. So each idea addresses a different need, like AI guidance improve waste sorting, carbon tracking increases personal awareness, rewards strengthen motivation, community features encourage participation, and energy monitoring reduce campus level weights. So choosing only one solution will address only part of the problem. For example, waste sorting assistant would improve recycling but wouldn't address electricity consumption. Similarly, an energy management system would reduce energy waste, but might not motivate students to change their personal habits. So an integrated platform would connect an environmental awareness, individual action, community participation, and institutional improvement. So, implementing all the feature simultaneously would be costly and complicated. Therefore, I recommend a 3-phase implementation plan. The first one is we should introduce community activities, rewards, and basic carbon footprint tracking. These features are relatively affordable and can attract initial user. And the second one is we should add the AI waste sorting assistant after its accuracy has been tested using common campus waste. And the Third phase, we should introduce an energy management pilot in selected campus buildings. So this will approach justified for 4 reasons. First, it directly addressed the sustainability problem presented by the assigned group. Second one, its pays are financially and technically manageable. Third, it benefits both student and university management. And the last one, its result can be measured through participant rates, weight sorting, accuracy, carbon reduction, and energy saving. So my final recommendation is to combine the strongest feature and implement them gradually through the EcoCampus integrated sustainability platform. Thank you.
Thank you, Aham. Does anyone have any concerns about these recommendations?
My main concern is the technical accuracy of the AI feature. However, the phrase plan addresses this risk because the feature will be tested before wider implementation. Therefore, I support the recommendation.
I also support it, beginning with the digital platform and introducing the energy management system later will reduce the initial financial risk.
I agree as well. I think the combined platform is more comprehensive, while phased implementation makes it practical and manageable.
Thank you. We have reached a consensus. Our decision is to combine the strongest features of 5 proposals into EcoCampus Integrated Sustainability Plan for an implement is in phase. Let us proceed to the final agenda item, follow-up actions. I recommend 5 follow-up actions. First, we should conduct a student survey to understand current sustainability habits and interest in the proposed features. Second, we should design a basic prototype containing activities listing, reward points, and carbon tracking, and a basic waste sorting guidance. Third, we should consult the university IT department and the sustainability office about AI development, data protection, costs, and essential requirements. Fourth, we should conduct a small pilot involving 1 faculty, 1 student club, and 1 selected campus building. Finally, we should collect feedbacks, evaluate the result, and improve the platform before wider implementations. We should now assign responsibility and deadlines. ZHIHAN, could you prepare the student server?
Yes, I will prepare questions about recycling habits, energy saving awareness, preferred rewards, and the willingness to use the platform. I will complete the survey draft by the end of the first week.
Thank you, Liray. Could you coordinate the prototype design?
Certainly, I will design the basic user flow and organize the main features of the platform. The initial prototype will be completed by the end of the third week.
Thank you, NAJWA. Could you handle consultations with the relevant university department?
All right, I will prepare the main question regarding technical support, data privacy, funding, and collaboration. I will be completing this initial consultation by the end of third week.
Thank you. Aham, could you prepare the pilot implementation plan?
Okay. Of course, I will propose the pilot location, participant group, estimated resources, potential risk, and success indicator. I think I will complete the pilot plan by the end of the fourth week.
Okay, thank you. I will consult the server findings, prototype consultation results, and the pilot plan into the final reports and the implementation timeline. We will measure success using the number of active users, participation frequency, wasting sorting accuracy, user satisfaction, carbon reduction, and the change in electricity consumption. To conclude, we have reviewed all 5 proposals, analyzed their feasibility, reach a clear decision, and assign follow-up actions with responsibilities with deadline. Our final decision is to create an EcoCampus integrated sustainability plan for and introduce each features gradually. This approach provides the best balance between environment impact, cost, technical feasibilities, and the long-term student participation. Thank you for your professional contributions. This meeting is now adjourned. Thank you, everyone. Okay.